Hello everybody, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix this pop socket. My daughter accidentally broke this the other day, just the two parts came apart. So what you need to do is get one of these pliers and then twist the bottom piece, and there you go, you twist it anti-clockwise, and then you've got to reinsert this plastic bit to the top part. Now this part that I'm trying to open up is rubbery, so I'm using the pliers to make this hole a bit bigger, so you can stretch it out using the pliers, and then you can try to reinsert the plastic bit into it. It will be a bit of a struggle. Obviously the wider you open it, the more space you will have to put the plastic bit. It's a bit fiddly, but if you've got, it should have enough space, and I've managed to put it in. You won't successfully be able to insert the whole thing in. You'll be able to put it in a corner at an angle. So once you put it in an angle, what you can do is you can push it back in. So let me try this again. So you just try to stretch it as much as you can, just the top part. So I'm using the tip now, and I've opened it up so that it's as wide as possible, and then as you can see now, the corner is pushed in. Also got this hook where you can hook one of the ends and just try to push it in. Just push it in like that, and there you go. So that's one corner. So what you can do now is use this little hook to try to open it a bit wider on the corner that is not pushed in, as much as you can. And there you go. Once again, it won't be pushed all the way in yet, so there's still a little bit on the corner that's left. So what you can do is push it out again. Now in this case I realized that it's only a slight bit that needs to be pushed in, so you can push it all the way in and then use a bit of force, and there you go, and it's in now. So that part is in, the plastic bit is in. Now just push it all the way out, and you've got to reinsert it to the base and just turn it. You've got to turn it clockwise now. So I line it up, put it together, and now twist it, and you hear a little bit of a click, and once that's done, it's in. And that's how you fix the pop socket. Then put it back in, put it back on the phone. That's it. There you go, it works. Now if this video helped you in any way, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you next time.